Hey guys, today we're back with another video. So today I have been thinking, what should I call you guys? Because you know how all like Honey Heart C videos. Because hi mini fans or hi cookie fans, what should I call you guys? Write in the comments. What should I call you guys? Now, moving on to the actual video. Today I'm going to be showing you all of my horses that I have. So let's get into the video. So right over here, my first horse that we have here is Skyscraper. She is my fjord. She's a creamy colored fjord. I think you can buy her in it's either Dundle or Furgrove. The next horse we have is Angel Warrior. She is the White Lusitano. You can buy her at Steve's Farm, I believe. Wait, no, it's not Steve's. Okay, I can't remember where I bought her, but you can buy her somewhere near Steve's Farm. That's all I know. Then here we have Hot Girl. She is my York Wild Horse. She's a new style York Wild Horse. So I got her. She's the one that's in Fort Pinta and will soon be moved to Valdale. Okay. Then here we have my Clydesdale, name's Grey Chaser. Um, she is yeah she so it's a girl, and she was bought in Dundle, I believe. And then over here we have Nighthawk. He is my Black Mawari. Oh, didn't mean to hop on him. He is my Black Mawari. He is my Black Mawari. He came from Golden Hills Valley or Golden Leaf Stables. So that's where he came from. And Quick Crush also came from Golden Leaf Stables because all the Mawaris are conveniently sold there. Here's Amethyst Chaser. I can't remember where I bought her. And then here we have Pirate Shade. Pirate Shade is an English thoroughbred. She can be found, or the English thoroughbreds can be found at Marley's farm. So then here's Fire Beauty. Fire Beauty was released a long time ago. I don't know if Star Stable is going to bring them back. I mean, here's Crazy Ace. I don't know why I named him Crazy Ace, but he was also, just like Fire Beauty, he was released a long time ago, and I don't know if SSO is going to bring him back. Over here is Frostdust. Frostdust is a Lippinzaner and can actually be found in Fort Pinta, where my home stable is. See, I'm in Fort Pinta. And here's Tiger Shine. I raised her in the app. So it's called Star Stable Horses, if you didn't know. I raised her in the app. Here's Sparkle Ace. Sparkle Ace is a Hanoverian, I think. I think that's how you say it. Hanoverian. And then he can be found at Silverglade Manor. Then here's Ginger Snap. She can also be found at Silverglade Manor. She is my Arabian. She's my Arabian. And then here's Gold Jewel. Gold Jewel can be found either in the app or in Valdale. And then over here, across from Gold Jewel, this is Dark Spark. Dark Spark is a Freedom Sport horse. Can be found in Epona. This is Obsidian Warrior. Can also be found in Epona near Dark Spark. This is Bullet Beam over here. She is a maxed horse. She is a maxed horse. I maxed her not too long ago, actually. I didn't max her too long ago. She's um she's kind of a pretty new maxed horse. And that's the first stock of horses. That right there is the first stock of horses. I have way more than that, so don't leave the video yet. I have way more than that. So let's bring them out. Oh, and we need to hop onto a different horse. Now we're kind of bringing in all of my magic horses. Oh wait, Crazy Ace is already shown. Oopsie. It's hard to remember which one you've shown and which ones you haven't. Am I right or am I right? Okay, back to putting in new horses. Okay, here's my new stock. So then over here, this is Marble Princess. She is the Telena, I believe. Yes, she is the Telena. Oh, that's from Milan. Okay, she is a Telena. They again with a lot of the horses was sold, and do not know if SSO will bring them back. This is Snow Angel. She can be found at Valdale. Um, then this is Scarlet Rambler. She is Solas. And again, with most magical horses, she was sold. I don't know if SSO is going to bring them back. This is Flutterfire. Flutterfire is also, again, lots of the magic horses. All of my magic horses that I've displayed, almost all of my magic horses that I have displayed are were sold and don't know if SSO is going to bring them back. This is Blue Dash. She's a North Swedish horse. She was once in the Foals app. I raised her very quickly, and now she is not in the Foals app, sadly. So I raised her in the Foals app. This is Honeyheart. Honeyheart's my starter. I have almost. She is very close to being maxed. As you can see, she's at level 20. She's at level 12. This is Marble Twin. Marble Twin was raised in the app. She's very close to being maxed too. This is Peacekeeper. She was sold off with Crazy Ace. Um, this is Rainbow Surprise. She is a Wingfell. And then all over there, that's Sienna Desire. I don't know why I'm naming these horses random names. I just like click random and then boom, I'm done. So this is Sienna Desire. Don't make fun of that name, please. Please don't make fun of that name. Okay. Then here's Ice Anthem. He can be found in the Christmas Village when it comes around. This is Flame Warrior. He's a Nixie. This is Candy Blaze. She's another Windfell. This is another Windfell. This is Blue Galaxy. This is Angel Bullet. Angel Bullet is an Andy. She can be found at Silverglade Manor. This is Cinnamon Storm. Can be found at Starshine Ranch. Cinnamon Storm is level 10. Another Windfell is Clover Chief. And then the last horse, this is Cloud Girl. She is my Curly. Cloud Girl's my Curly. I really love my Curly. And, well, guys, thank you for watching. Those were all of my horses that I know of. that I know of. Okay. Well, bye guys. Wait, where's my? Bye guys.